Well, YouTubers, it's Cool JD, 1977. Woke up this morning, and look at the snow we got. It's terrible. It's wet snow, so it's kind of like making the trees heavy. The tree branches are real heavy, so not quite sure we're gonna have any power outages here or not. There's my girlfriend leaving for work. I hope she's careful on the streets, because, well, that's a good car. Those Kias are all-wheel drive, so you can see it's not that pretty out this morning. Yeah. Look at that tree back there. It's really weighing the branches down pretty bad. Them branches look like they're hanging right on top of that trailer. But they're actually calling for 12 to 14 inches by night. There's my little shed that I work out of. Unfortunately, packed full, so I can't get into it to do any of my work. I live in a trailer, so trailer court, should I say, and right now is the perfect time. I wish I could do it. Go out here and check out the Jeep. Oh, this. Man. Them patches are going to be rusted. I'll have to grind them down again. Shit. Alright. Come on, Kangaroo. Come on. Back up on the porch. I'm using my phone as my camcorder for now until I get in a camcorder. So, I mean, I got the Incredible 2. It's not like it's not a good camcorder or nothing. She's stuck in the snow. Come on, babe. She wants to play. That's Cammy girl. Her name's Cammy because when she was born, and that's all she does all day long is roof and bark. You fart crooked and she's barking. Unbelievable. I go through more ibuprofen for headaches because of her. Shut up. So, yeah, I just figured I'd put this video up. See what you guys think about it. Snow on the 23rd of April. Unreal. And there's more to come. I mean, they're still calling for at least 12 inches by tonight. And it's pretty cold out here, because, sorry about the camera shaking, but I'm pretty cold. Alright, well, I'll leave it on that note. If you could give me a comment on what you think about this snow in April. I know it's snowed before in April, but yeah, not like this, and not this heavy stuff, but alright. Well, y'all have a good day. If If you please, thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know what you think. A comment, rate, subscribe if you'd like, please. I know I'm a newbie, but it'd be nice. So, let's see, get one more last close up of it. We'll get a close up of these trees back here. My girlfriend's snowball tree is covered. I'll have to try to knock that off before it breaks the branches off. That thing's huge in the summer. You'll see it. I'll show it to you. If we don't move before then, might take it with us. Alright guys, thanks. If you're watching, thank you. Take her easy. Later.